Good afternoon. Proceed. Before we proceed, a little housekeeping. We have on our jury box our team, championship team that's going off to the national to represent the CNMI. So welcome this afternoon. I know that you started out representing your school, but now you're representing the CNMI. Please make us proud. Welcome this afternoon, and please take whatever lessons from these very hardworking students. Take that and improve your skills furthermore. But as from the attorneys and witnesses, continue to address the court. We'll consider this as a bench trial. I hope the gentlemen and the ladies on the jury box don't make you extra nervous, but they're here to watch you too, so please, we can continue. Is the government ready? Yes. The defense ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's proceed.
Good morning, Your Honor. I am Linsa Manahan. Good afternoon. I am Linsa Manahan with my co-counsel, Sarah Capaluna, Riza Butolan, and with our witnesses, Jordan Cook, represented by Carl Lacanilo, Steph Sablan, represented by Jacqueline Garoli, and Taylor Guerrero, represented by Meisha Terlahi. Together, we are the opposing counsel against Hardy Hoffman.
Ben?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Mari Beshan, and I'm here with my co-counsels, Doris Santos and Prisha. I will be directing the allocation cross-examination Step 1. Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Doris Santos, and I will be direct examining Hardy Hoff Snyder and cross-examining Detective Jordan Cook. Good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Tisha Lana. I will be directing Dr. Guadalupe Nelson, and I'll be cross-examining Taylor Guerrero.
Is the government ready with their opening statement? Proceed.
Your Honor, permission to move up to the above.
If you're gonna move about the well, then please make sure you have the portable microphone with you so we can hear you. Okay, so use the podium so we can hear you clearly.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Today, the justice system of our modern-day city has yet again successfully caught a criminal of horrific crimes we fear today. This criminal, whose name has been known by many of his drug-abusing customers, is known as Hardy Hoffneider. The traitor to our society who stands in our court today has been accused of harboring an illegal drug known as methamphetamine in a secluded cabin surrounded by a forest. Just when he thought it couldn't get any worse, the former co-owner, Jonathan Guerrero, was hosting a party for friends when a huge fire rose up within the cabin, burning down anything it touched, even the poor, unsuspecting party host. But Jonathan wasn't the only victim. Imagine if you were his parent. Imagine that you were always worrying about how your children were doing. Then suddenly, ring, ring. It's your phone. When you hear it, when you answer it, you hear the voice on the other line say, "This is the hospital, and I'm sorry to say, your son Jonathan Guerrero has died in a fire." Tragic, simply tragic. The Guerreros weren't the only family traumatized by Hardy, though. No, Hardy went over the limit 4 years ago and took out one of his own. His beloved sister, Crystal, now has to get around with a wheelchair. What's worse, she's an 11-year-old in the 2nd grade. Harley's most recent crimes show he hasn't learned his lesson back then. But today, that lesson will be taught not only to Harley, but to all his meth-making friends. Let Harley know that today you will be his mentor, and teach him that lesson he so longingly deserved by setting upon him just one word: guilty.
Is the defense ready?
Your Honor, if it pleases the court, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the defense has the duty to offer an answer to what happened to the deceased Jonathan Guerrero. Your Honor, today our first witness, Alex Lee, will testify that she attended the party at the cabin, and from the very few people who attended, she never saw or heard Harley Hofstetter there. She will also state that Steph Saban was drinking at the party and was too drunk to remember the incident.